Hello everyone. In previous parts, we have discussed about cyclone and thunderstorm. In this part, we will discuss about tornado. So देखो साइक्लोन और थंडरस्टॉर्म दोनों लगभग एक जैसे ही थे, जस्ट थोड़ा सा दोनों में डिफरेंस होता था, राइट। सो टॉर्नेडो भी एक टाइप का साइक्लोन ही है, मतलब उसी हवा की वजह से ही होता है. सो लेट्स हैव a look. A tornado is a weather condition when a cloud having a dark funnel shape reaches the ground. आई थिंक तुम लोग डार्क क्लाउड सब लोग देखे होंगे. तो टोर्नेडो क्या है? जब एक डार्क क्लाउड जमीन पे पहुंच जाता है, राइट, दैट कंडीशन इज नोन एज टोर्नेडो. द डायमीटर ऑफ ए टोर्नेडो कैन रेंज फ्रॉम 1 मीटर टू सेवरल किलोमीटर. और इसका जो डायमीटर है, ये देख रहे हो डायमीटर, ये कुछ मीटर हो सकता है, 1 मीटर हो सकता है, या फिर कई किलोमीटर भी हो सकता है. The tornadoes can be formed within cyclones as well, and the most important thing is within the cyclone itself a tornado can be formed. तो सोचो साइक्लोन के अंदर ही एक टोर्नेडो फॉर्म हो सकता है. इन ए टोर्नेडो winds blow at a high speed of 300 km per hour. Just imagine the speed, right? 300 km per hour. And the funnel-like shape of a tornado sucks everything that comes near it at its base because of the low pressure exerted by the winds. And in the tornado the pressure is extremely low. Then if there is low pressure, whatever comes to it, everything will be sucked off. Means टोर्नेडो जिस एरिया में है वहाँ पे जो कुछ भी होगा, हर एक चीज को पूरा ऊपर खींच लेता है. क्लियर? Now, it then throws the things upward and hence tornado can be devastating. So as compared to cyclone and thunderstorm, look, cyclone and thunderstorm mostly causes rain, lightning or thunder, but they do not do such things. Means कहीं भी कुछ है तो उसको ऊपर उठा के नहीं ले जाता. It happens in tornado only. So obviously a tornado is more devastating than cyclone and thunderstorm. Now how can we protect ourselves? To protect yourself in a tornado, one should take shelter in an underground room with no window. If possible, ये actually possible है नहीं क्योंकि सबके पास underground room होना impossible है. If possible, take shelter in an underground room, and also prefer such rooms where there is no window at all, because window can be also sucked off by the tornado, right, but not the walls of the room. If in a room with windows, one should close them and hide under table or workbench. Means under the table is the best part. One should bow down on the knees, protecting their neck and head using their arms. Look at the position. If you are outside or on the ground, then be like that. In what will happen if you will be like that? The low pressure cannot affect you. Clear? Now safety measure from cyclone. There should be a cyclone forecasting service that can warn the people of a particular area that can be hit by a cyclone. So mostly in the area which are more cyclone prone area, there cyclone forecasting service should be there, right, so that they can forecast what is going to happen or when the cyclone is supposed to arrive. The speed of winds plays a major role in predicting any calamities like cyclone. Hence, the speed of wind in a coastal area should be measured regularly. That is what? Anemometer is a device that can measure the speed of the wind. So remember the word. Remember what the name of the device. Anemometer is the device. Now, the warning should be communicated rapidly to the citizen. Ships that are sailing in the sea, government agencies, and fishermen as well. So, whoever might be effective because of the cyclone should be intimated earlier, right? So that they can protect themselves, they can come out from the situation. Along with this, cyclone shelters should be built in coastal area and agencies should be appointed who can help the people at the time of calamity. So these things are very necessary. Cyclone shelter should be there so that people of the effective area can take shelter, and also many agency or what people should be appointed to help the effective people. Then how individual can protect themselves from cyclone? Suppose you are alone, you cannot, any agency or any information could not reach you, then how can you protect yourself? One should not ignore the warning given by the weather forecasting team. Okay, that's must. But if you can, okay, if you got the information about cyclone or arriving cyclone, tornado or thunderstorm, whatever, so the first thing you have to do is move to a safe place and carry all your important belongings with you, so that what, that should not get damaged or missed, है ना? अगर साइक्लोन कुछ आ रहा है तो अपना जो जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं उनको लेना, पहले फालतू की चीज़ों को लेना नहीं चाहिए उस वक्त. One should not drive on roads that have standing water as they might be damaged. And if on a road there is water, the road is filled with water, then don't drive on it. क्या पता वहीं बीच बीच में कहाँ कहाँ गड्ढा हो, कहीं गाड़ी फंस जाए. One should keep all the emergency numbers with themselves so that they can seek help when required. Emergency numbers like weather forecasting team, then different agencies who may help you. So you should have the numbers of these personals. Now, what to do during a cyclone? Get ready so that if you have to evacuate, you can be come out immediately. Remain inside with your emergency kit and battery radio, so that all the information should be given to you as soon as possible. Now, follow evacuation plan and head to the nearest emergency shelter. Okay, so definitely wherever the nearest emergency shelter is, you should prefer to go to that one, right? Shut all the doors and windows, जितने भी खिड़की दरवाजे हैं बंद कर लो. Turn off gas and electricity and unplug appliances. Unplug all the appliances, electrical appliances, TV, fridge, washing machine, all those things. Do not attempt to drive or walk through water. Instead, stay in car and handbrake on. हैंडब्रेक ऑन करके कार पे ही रहो, ड्राइव करना सेफ नहीं होगा. गैदर फैमिली एंड रिव्यू योर इवैक्यूएशन प्लान. अपना जो मतलब बाहर निकलने का जो भी प्लान है उसको विथ ऑल फैमिली डिस्कस करो. मूव पीपल एंड पेट्स टू स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द हाउस, है ना? मतलब बाकी जो लोग हैं या फिर जो पेट्स, डॉग्स हैं, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स हैं, उन सबको मतलब घर का जो सेफेस्ट पार्ट है, जो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग पार्ट है, वहाँ पे रखो. कांट टेक पेट्स, लिव अनटाइड, है ना? अगर मतलब कुत्ते वगैरह हैं घर में, अगर उनको ले नहीं सकते ना तो खुला छोड़ दो, सो दैट क्या होगा, एटलीस्ट वो तो भाग सकते हैं, राइट? सो दीज आर द all possible measures or steps that one should follow during a cyclone.